more about word parts. And we're going to continue to talk about how word parts help us as readers and writers to look at some patterns of words and how words end, so that we can take a look at what we know about words to get to new words or to spell words we're not sure of. So today we're going to look at some more ending parts. Some of those ending parts are parts that you've been coming across in reading and in writing workshop. One of the parts is ache, like in this word cake. Eyes should be right here, Isabel. So take a look at this word. Do you see the ache in there? Like in cake. Now, another word part we're going to talk about today is like in the word hike. It's Ike. Alicia, eyes right here. It's Ike, like in hike. And we're also going to talk about one more. We're going to talk about a word like gate, where you have 8. I should see everybody's eyes right here.
Yeah, it's up there.
Okay. Right, it is up there. Now, what we're going to do is to take a look at sorting some of these word cards. We're going to do some together. Looking for good listeners. Alicia, you need to sit right up and get busy watching us. We're going to sort some of these. So what we're going to do is to look for words that have the same parts. So first we're going to talk about this word, let me find it. Gate is up there already. So let's take a look at these words up here. We have this word, what? Gate. And what are you noticing about gate? It has that 8 part. And then we're going to look at words like make, and it has the ache, A-K-E part. Then we're going to look at words like like. Still looking for everybody's eyes this way. Michael's sitting all the way down. Well, then scooch back. So words like with the Ike part. Now, this last part, no, right back where you belong. And that's twice I had to talk to you now. This question mark over here is for words that don't follow the pattern. So, if we look at this word fake, what we need to do is figure out which word it's like. So if we look at fake and gate, do they have the same ending parts?
No.
No. How about fake and make?
Yeah.
What are you noticing that's the same?
8.
I need hand so that everybody's paying attention. Raina?
8.
And it's that A-K-E. So we're going to put that right here. Now, here's the word Mike. Okay? Let's take a look at Mike and gate. Do they look the same?
No.
No, they don't have the same ending. How about Mike and make?
No.
No, it's not the same. How about Mike and like?
Yeah.
What do you notice it's the same about them, Lily? I-K-E. Michael, you're looking at the word and the I-K-E. Is that where your eyes are? I know that. Are you looking at the part you're supposed to be looking at? Because that's what I'm worried about, is what you're looking at. Okay, next one. Date. Let's take a look. Date, gate.
Yeah.
What are you noticing? Hand. What are you noticing that's the same, Raina? The A-T-E, the 8. So date, gate. How about plate? Plate, gate. Plate, make.
No.
Plate, like.
No.
So which one does it have the same parts as? Let's take a look. What do you see at the end of plate? Lily? I see A-T-E. Do you see A-T-E in gate? Now listen to the two sounds. Plate, gate. Do Do you hear the same sound?
Yes.
Lakota,
Hate. Yes.
what's your job? So plate, gate, and date. I want you to take a look at these three words. You should be seeing something right away that's the same in all of them. What are you seeing, Jack?
They all have the 8 word.
And how do you write that? What letters are you seeing?
A-T-E.
There you go.
8.
All right, here's another word. What word is this?
Like.
Sydney, where should your eyes be right now? Like. Do like and gate have the same sound at the end? Do make and like have the same sound? How about, oh, like and like?
Yes.
Yes. I didn't even realize it was the same word. That was silly. Okay. Now, I want you to raise your hand this time and you tell me which line this goes in. Alicia, right up here. Which word part does this word have? Carly?
8.
And what word is this?
Late.
Good job.
This is hard.
Okay, you ready for another one? Okay, so we're not yelling out. Your eyes are searching for the part that's the same as the part up here. Okay, you're searching. When you think you know, raise your hand. Justin, what do you think? And so, can you figure out this word? What is that word? So what is it? Snake. And it sounds like make and fake. Okay, here's another one. Again, taking a look at if you can find the part. And let me know. Lakota, turn all the way around and put all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I'm going to hold it up here. You see if you can find one. You're raising your hand. Alicia, sit up and put your eyes right up here. You need to look at these word parts. And then raise your hand when you think you know. Wyatt, what are you thinking? Let's check. What is ache? A-K-E, right? What do you see here? A. How about you let Wyatt talk? A. What do you see next? D. I just want you to read me these letters. A, D, E. Do you see A, D, E anywhere up here?
No.
No, so where would you put this? Okay, it doesn't match any of the word parts. How about this one? We're raising hands. Remember, that is your job, to think first, raise your hand. Lakota, what are you noticing about this word?
It's an I.
Yep, so where does it go?
Question.
Why does it go in the question?
Because it's just an I.
And what are you noticing about these three parts?
They're different.
Oh, it doesn't match anything, does it? Okay, so no, it doesn't have the same word patterns or the letter patterns. Okay, how about this one? We're going to do a couple more. Up. We're not saying anything out loud. Spencer, are you sitting down? All the way. Ethan, Ed, what are you noticing?
Cake goes in the make word.
Okay, what's the same about cake and in all the make words?
It has
And what letters are those?
A-K-E.
Yeah, everybody agree with that? Raise your thumbs up if you're yes, thumbs down if you're no. Okay, you're right. There's all those AKEs. Okay, here's another one. Michael, where should your eyes be? Okay, so I'm going to hold it up here. Eyes are up here. Alicia, Alan, you shouldn't be sitting there. Why do we have to keep having this discussion? Sydney, what are you noticing?
Batteries.
Okay, so what word part is the same? And what 3 letters would that be? What are you noticing that's the same about these words? What's the same about hike and like? And what letters are those? What letters are the same in like and in hike? I. Let's think about that for a second, because this should be getting quicker for us. Ethan C., I need your eyes right here. Everybody's eyes should be right here. Sydney's right. Hike and like go in the same pile. Why? What is similar about hike and like? Or what's the same? And we're talking about the ending word parts. Sydney, eyes right up here. What are you noticing is the same, Jaden?
They have I and K-E.
Okay, so they have 3, that word part at the end, I-K-E. It's all the same. So, like, read with me. Mike, like, and hike.
I thought it was going to be a pattern.
Okay, couple more.